Good morning. I am addressing the students of KG to class 10, present 10 at the moment. You all know our first batch of students have done wonderful work and achieved immense success at the ICSE examination of 2021. This is an occasion to celebrate. We are having a graduation ceremony on 1st August 2021 at 5 p.m. at the school. I wish I could invite all of you to that function, but because of certain administrative restrictions, we cannot do that. All of you cannot be accommodated at this time. So I would request that every one of you must listen to our telecast program at 5 o'clock. 5 to 6, there will be a program. Please, staying at your homes, kindly go through this program. You will enjoy it, I am very sure. All the best to you, children. You will enjoy. And this is not only a request, this is also an order that you should watch the program. It will be an encouragement to everyone. Thank you very much.